I'm going to make a React project and we're going to use ChatGPT to try and build various things. So let's go. So currently our React component shows hello world. I have a basic project here where I create it from a template, added some styling settings, and we have a component for ChatGPT which is currently empty. So let's just write something. So I want a component called ChatGPT that draws the Bitcoin price for the last 5 years. Let's just say I want a React TypesScript component called ChatGPT that draws the Bitcoin price for the last 5 years. Right, let's go. Why is it using Axios? Okay, I'll have to install that dependency. So what's it using? It's using recharts or something. Got an interface, that's nice. That's a TypeScript interface. Use state default empty array for price data. Use effect. So we're basically when the component renders, we call CoinDesk API. I don't need an API key, hopefully. Yes, I don't. It then formats the data and then renders the data here. Okay, so let's just copy this. Okay, did export it as that? Okay, it's export default. Okay, that's fine. It seems to like these export defaults. So let's copy this and GPT. Let's just run that again. Sorry. Right, I want a named export React component called ChatGPT. Right, that is what we're using, right? ChatGPT that draws a Bitcoin price last 5 years. I want a named export React type component called. Right, let's try that. So hopefully it'll say export const something whatever. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Right, so when that's finished, that'll install. So let's just go here and just do an install of the so pm add and Axios, right? That's what it wants. Right, let's just copy paste this to see if it works. So hopefully I want to change any of the app code here. I'll just paste this in here like that. And okay, what's the error? Time. So this is basically a TypeScript error. So I suppose I could ask it not to have any of those implicit errors. So let's just see. Okay, let's just do npm dev. Failed to resolve recharts. Okay, that's another dependency I need to add. pm add charts. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. That is the Bitcoin charts for the last 5 years. Okay, so I've committed that code. Let's try and improve it. So let's go to here, and I want a mobile friendly, I guess. Mobile friendly React component called to. Okay, let's just see if that works. So let's go here and render. So we should see maybe some kind of media queries or CSS provided. If it was using Tailwind, maybe less code. So, I mean, mobile friendly might just mean it renders on mobile. It doesn't actually scale sizes. So I would be expecting some classes here for mobile responsiveness. Yeah, that's not mobile friendly. There's nothing there that is mobile friendly. It's still going to look exactly the same. So, all right, to make the chat okay, okay, to make the chat mobile friendly, the chat is wrapped inside a responsive container with a height of 400 pixels, which uses chat mobile on screen. So I missed that. So where's that? Okay, all right, I'll give you that. I'll give you that. That's fine. So let's just copy this. what's changed. So responsive container line chart. So it's responsive containers basically a width 100%. Okay. Oh, it's got a. Why is it exporting it down there like that? I want to. It should be exporting it there. Okay, I'll just delete that and I'll go back to here. Export this. Chat. It's because I was using the old text. Okay, sorry guys. Right, so let's just go here. I don't know. It's still kind of like not so friendly because it's not scaling to 100%. So yeah, don't know. Not so mobile friendly. Not sure I want to be debugging this too much. Okay, let's just try it again. Okay, so okay, I want a mobile friendly. Okay, let's just be more clear. So I want a named export React TypeScript component called ChatGPT that draws the Bitcoin price for the last 5 years. The chart must never overflow the width of the screen to be mobile friendly. Let's just copy paste this up here and stick it up here. This might be too much for it, but who knows? It's all new to me. Here's an example of a named export React TypeScript one called ChatGPT. Eventually, though, you're going to be actually, I think, slower trying to modify this so that you get the exact output versus if you just know how to write the code to do whatever you want. But we'll see. We'll see how far we get. Okay, there's the style width, 100% max width. Okay, that's interesting. That's good code. I mean, that's what you do. If this works, then we'll back it up and we'll try and improve the TypeScript code. So let's go paste this in. No errors. So basically what has changed is that we have this div here. Let's see how it looks. Still kind of like yeah, that chart library is not the easiest, not the friendliest. Well, I mean, it's got a certain. You'd have to work with the chart library because it's doing stuff as well inside, and ChatGPT doesn't control that. So we'll give it a pass for now. I'll just remove that new bit of code so that it's less complicated. So let's go back to. Let's just revert this. Go to revert. Okay. So go back to this point here. So we had a TypeScript error, and let's see if it's smart enough to remove this any. This this is implicit any here. So where did we see that error before? No test, right? TSC. PMPM TSC. I thought I saw an error for any. Okay, let's just try that. So let's just go here. The TypeScript must not have any implicit any's. A named export. A lot of developers, especially new developers, TypeScript, they really struggle with this implicit any. promise void record string. Okay, yeah, lots of types here. It still wants to keep this 100% thing, doesn't it? Yeah, it just like this responsive container. Okay. Alright, so let's just copy this code. Let's see what changed. Okay, so that's good. We've got a price data array here. That was already there. So you can see that has spotted that, because when we get into linting, we add linting, we'll have lots of linting errors. So that's basically all that's changed, hasn't it? Oh yeah, I've got access response there. Very nice. It imports that from there. Yeah, exactly. Fantastic. Really, I'm just really impressed. So let's just go and run a linter. So let's just add linting. So if we go to package JSON, so let's just do a lint, lint, and then I've also got GitHub Copilot here, so that'll be doing like auto completion for me as well. So let's just run pm lint. Alright, so I have to fix some of my ESLint settings. Okay, I'll fix that for the next video, and we'll just keep pushing this as far as we can to see how professional code we get. So thanks for watching, folks. Bye bye.